Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Pete. Besides me right here, you see a previously ordered, all new NauticStar 2302 Legacy. This one is getting rigged for delivery. Come up here, this is a boat motor trailer package. Got the color match underside of the hardtop. This is a slate hull sides. Magic tilt aluminum trailer built for this boat, so you know it's gonna fit right. Come back here. Powered by a 200 Yamaha 4-stroke. Neat thing, we do have the tow arch right there. So one of those neat things about ordering a boat, you can customize it, get it exactly how you want for the boating that you're going to be doing. I'm Nick Pavlakis. You can call me at 813-679-7551 and we'll get you and your family out on the water at MarineMax in St. Pete. Bye guys.